Hi there, so this is just going to be a quick look at the cordless multifunction tool from Workzone. These are distributed through ALDI. It's ALDI's own brand of multifunction tool. Okay, so we'll be doing some test cuts with it later on in the video into tiles, hardwood, oak and pine, and trying the sanding pad. Let's just quickly take a look at the accessories that come with it. It comes with a 25-piece accessories set, which includes 20 sanding sheets, and then also 5 tool heads, the sanding pad, plunge cut blade there for wood. I think it may be metal as well, it says on the HSS. On the tools themselves, they all actually say Germany, so I don't know if these are made in Germany or not, but they do actually seem to be quite good quality. As you can see, I have been using them, I have been testing it. Scraper, another saw blade here, and then just the diamond blade here, which would be for grinding tiles and cutting tiles. So just a quick look at the tool itself. So it comes with the charging dock, obviously. The battery's in the back here. These batteries, they look exactly the same as the Einhell branded ones. So whether Einhell actually produces this for ALDI's, I'm not sure, but they look exactly the same. So that could be a source of batteries, because ALDI at the moment aren't supplying spares. Here's the vacuum attachment and the other part for the body of the tool, which just clips on the head there. And then there is a plastic band which just fits on there and clips in place. You load the tool by pushing the lever all the way over, and then fitting the tool wherever you want it. Let's push this little yellow tab down to lock it in place, and then there we go. So battery goes in the back here. And if I turn it on, you'll see that it's fully charged, and this light here turns amber when it's partially charged, and then it changes red when it's fully discharged and it needs charging. It's a pretty loud tool, so I would definitely use hearing protection. It's actually that loud. So I'll just go through the speeds. One other thing, the material that the tool was made out of is glass fibre 30%, so it should be reasonably durable, I think. Better than ABS anyway on its own. Alright, so let's get to some cutting, shall we? Okay, so one thing with this tool, when you've actually got the dust extraction tube on there, you can't get as much depth of cut with it, especially on these type blades here. Okay, so I've got some softwood here. It's spruce, I think. There we go, so it cut through that pretty quickly. Okay, so this is a piece of oak, so I'm just going to try this tool on it, see how it goes. Anyway, here I've got this piece of wood here. It's approximately 2 inches by 1.5 inch, and I'm going to try to cut all the way through that. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so there you go, it cuts that oak through there pretty easily. Okay, so we're just going to test the sanding. Got it set to number 3. So there we go, we've got a nice smooth finish there. Seems to work pretty well. Yeah, number 6 is pretty good as well. Definitely removes the wood quite fast. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly test the vacuum function to see how well it actually sucks dust up. So I'm not actually going to be using the tool, I'm just going to be using the vacuum cleaner on it and seeing how well that vacuum attachment actually works, if it works at all. Yep, so as you can see, the vacuum attachment does seem to actually work quite well. So I'm just going to test the scraper on this epoxy what I mixed up on here, see if that will scrape that off. Got it on number 4 at the moment. think it scrapes. Okay, so I've got a tile here clamped up, so we'll just quickly test the diamond cutting tool there and see how well it cuts. Okay, so there you can see it cut that tile. I'm not sure these are actually for cutting tiles, I think they're more for taking grout out, I think. But it cuts tile. Okay, so you've seen what you can do, so you can make your own mind up whether it's right for you or not. I'd say this tool is for light use, really. Not heavy duty use. Use this for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. The battery didn't give out, so yep, I'm not sure what the exact, I mean obviously it's going to be it's going to depend what you're cutting, the life of the battery anyway, but yeah, I was using it for like 20 minutes and it's still charged. Yeah, we're on the amber light anyway, so it does get slightly warm where the motor is, as you can see here, there's the motor here. It does get slightly warm but not overly hot, still holdable. But yeah, it seems to be a pretty decent tool for the amount of money that it costs. This is £30 with the accessories that you see there. Yeah, I think it's probably worth the £30 if you're only going to be using it for light use. It does come with a 3-year warranty. I think the first 60 days they will refund the money if anything goes wrong with it, and then after that they will replace or refund, and that is entirely down to them. I did buy a reciprocating saw from ALDI's once before, and after a year it developed a faulty switch, and I took it back to ALDI's, and because they couldn't get that item anymore, they did refund me the money. So you know, it's got the warranty. Hopefully you should be okay. But yeah, comment down below, tell me what you thought of the video, tell me what you think of the ALDI tool. If you've got one of these, let me know what you think of it. There's not many reviews on these, so yeah. Overall, I think if you're going to use it for light work, it's probably going to last a while. The only thing is you can't buy replacement batteries for it, which is a bit of a shame, because I think the actual tool itself would probably last quite a while. Just want to say thanks for watching. Please comment down below, please subscribe and click the thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. So I'm just going to test the scraper on this epoxy what I mixed up on here, see if that will scrape that off. Got it on number 4 at the moment. Yep, so I think it scrapes.